What if I told you there's an investment that pays you every single week, not once a month, not quarterly, but every 7 days like clockwork? And what if that same investment is currently yielding an absolutely insane 89% annually? Now, before you think this sounds too good to be true, let me ask you this. Could ULty be the fund that finally dethrones the mighty MSTY and becomes the new king of high-yield ETFs? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this weekly money machine deserves a spot in your portfolio, or if it's just another yield trap waiting to crush your dreams. Think about your regular job for a second. Imagine if your boss told you that instead of getting paid every 2 weeks, you'd now have to wait 3 months for your paycheck. Sounds ridiculous, right? Yet that's exactly what most dividend investors do. They sit around waiting 30, 60, or even 90 days between payments, watching their money work while they get nothing in return. It's like being a landlord who only collects rent once a quarter. But here's where things get interesting, and frankly, a little dangerous. ULty promises to change all that with weekly payments, but there's a catch that could cost you everything if you don't understand what you're really signing up for. Enter ULty, the Swiss Army knife of high-yield ETFs. Unlike its single-stock cousins that put all their eggs in one basket, ULty spreads its bets across 15 to 30 different holdings, making it the diversified rebel in a world of concentrated risk. But here's where ULty gets really clever, and why understanding this next part could make or break your investment success. ULty generates that mind-blowing 89% yield through something called covered call strategies. Now, before your eyes glaze over, let me explain this in a way that'll make perfect sense. Imagine you own a beautiful house that's worth a lot of money. Instead of just sitting on it, you decide to rent it out for monthly income. But here's the twist. You also offer your tenant the option to buy the house from you at a specific price within the next month. In exchange for giving them that option, they pay you extra money up front. That extra money is pure profit. Regardless of what happens, if your house price goes up dramatically, your tenant exercises their option and buys it from you at the agreed price. You miss out on the extra gains, but you still made money from the rent and that option fee. If the house price stays flat or drops, your tenant doesn't buy it. You keep the extra money, and you can do the whole thing over again next month. That's essentially what ULty does, except instead of houses, they're dealing with stocks like Reddit, MicroStrategy, Coinbase, and other volatility superstars. They own these stocks, collect any dividends, and then sell options against them to generate that massive weekly income stream. It's brilliant in its simplicity, but here's where most people get it wrong. They think this is free money. It's not. Every dollar you collect in premiums is a dollar you might not make if these stocks absolutely explode to the upside. Now let's talk about ULty's cast of characters, because the companies in this fund read like a who's who of market volatility. You've got Reddit, the social media platform that can swing 20% in a day based on a single news headline. There's MicroStrategy, basically a Bitcoin proxy that moves with every crypto tweet from Elon Musk. Coinbase rides the cryptocurrency roller coaster. Upstart plays in the fintech space, and Uploven dominates mobile app advertising. These aren't your grandmother's dividend stocks. These are volatility superstars. And volatility is exactly what ULty needs to generate those fat option premiums. But here's where ULT's story gets really interesting. This fund went through what I can only describe as a complete transformation in March of this year. Before March, ULty was paying monthly distributions that were all over the place, declining over time, and frankly, pretty disappointing. Investors were getting frustrated. Performance was mediocre, and the fund was just another face in the crowded yield max crowd. Then came the game-changing pivot that changed everything. In mid-March, ULty's management made 2 critical decisions that turned this fund from an also-ran into a serious contender. First, they switched from monthly to weekly payments. Suddenly, instead of waiting 30 days for their income, investors were getting paid every single week. Second, and perhaps more importantly, they completely overhauled their option strategies. The result? Those weekly payments became remarkably stable, hovering around 10 cents per share week after week, giving investors the predictable income stream they'd been craving. Since that March transformation, ULty has delivered over 30% in total returns in just 4 months. But here's what makes this even more impressive. When you compare ULT's performance to the wild swings of MSTY and other single-stock funds like TSLY, ULty looks like the steady, reliable older brother. While MSTY was flying high one day and crashing the next, ULty maintained a much smoother ride, proving that diversification actually works, even in the world of high-yield option strategies. Now, before you start throwing your life savings at ULty, let's talk about what this fund can and can't do for you, because understanding these limitations could save you from some very expensive mistakes. ULT's superpowers are actually pretty impressive. First, diversification is real protection. Unlike MSTY, which lives or dies by Microsoft's performance, ULT spreads its risk across multiple holdings. If Reddit has a bad day, MicroStrategy or Coinbase might be having a good one. This isn't just theory. You can see it in the smoother price movements compared to single-stock funds. Second, active management actually means something here. The fund managers aren't just set it and forget it. They're constantly adjusting which stocks to hold and how aggressive to be with their option strategies based on market conditions. Third, and this is huge for income-focused investors, you're getting paid every single week. That's 52 paychecks per year instead of 12. For retirees or anyone who needs regular cash flow, this is game-changing. But every superhero has their kryptonite, and ULT's weaknesses are worth understanding. The biggest limitation is the capped upside potential. Remember that house analogy? If one of ULT's holdings absolutely explodes to the upside, you're only going to capture gains up to the strike price of those covered calls. In a massive bull market, ULty will underperform simply buying and holding the underlying stocks. You're literally trading potential appreciation for current income. Here's another reality check. While ULty is more diversified than MSTY, that same diversification means it probably can't generate the extreme income levels that single-stock funds can produce during periods of high volatility. MSTY might hit 100% or even 150% yields during crazy market periods, while ULT's diversified approach keeps it more in the 80 to 90% range. Still incredible, but there's a trade-off. Then there's the sustainability question. ULT's new strategy has only been in place since March. We've been in a generally positive market environment since then. What happens when we hit a real bear market? Will those weekly payments hold up when all of ULT's holdings are getting crushed simultaneously? The honest answer is we don't know yet. This fund hasn't been stress tested in a true market downturn under its new strategy. And let's be brutally honest about the fees. ULT charges a 1.3% expense ratio, which means you're paying $130 for every $10,000 you invest, every single year. For a passive index fund, that would be highway robbery. For an actively managed, high-yield option strategy fund, it's actually pretty reasonable. But it's still a real cost that eats into your returns, and it's something you need to factor into your decision. So is ULty worth it? The answer depends entirely on what you're trying to accomplish and how much risk you can stomach. Let me break this down for different types of investors. If you're a retiree or someone who needs regular income right now, ULT's weekly payments and 89% yield are incredibly attractive. The diversification gives you more stability than single-stock funds, and the active management means someone is actually paying attention to market conditions and adjusting accordingly. For income-focused investors, ULty might be exactly what you've been looking for. If you're a younger investor focused on long-term growth, ULty is probably not your best choice. Those covered calls are going to cap your upside potential, and over decades, that could cost you significantly in compound growth. You'd likely be better off with traditional growth investments and maybe allocating a small percentage to high-yield strategies like ULty. If you're somewhere in the middle, maybe approaching retirement or looking to add some income to a growth portfolio, ULT could work as part of a diversified approach. Maybe you allocate 10 to 20% of your portfolio to high-yield strategies like ULty while keeping the majority in traditional growth investments. Looking ahead, ULT's success will depend on a few key factors. Can they maintain the consistency of those weekly payments through different market conditions? Will their active management approach continue to add value, or will they make poor stock selection decisions that hurt performance? And perhaps most importantly, how will this fund perform when we eventually face a serious market downturn? The fact that ULT held up relatively well around events like election volatility is encouraging, but a true test would be a prolonged bear market where all of their holdings are under pressure simultaneously. Until we see how ULT performs in that environment, we're making educated guesses about its long-term viability. ULty represents an interesting evolution in the high-yield ETF space. By combining diversification with active management and weekly payments, it's addressing many of the criticisms investors have had with single-stock yield max funds. Whether it can maintain this approach and deliver consistent results over the long term remains to be seen, but early signs are promising. The key is finding the right balance for your specific situation and risk tolerance. Remember, there's no such thing as free money in investing, but there are strategies that might align better with your goals. Make sure to like this video if it helped you understand ULty better, and subscribe for more deep dives into income-generating investments that could transform your portfolio. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Investment performance shown is based on historical data and projections. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching.